I tried Korean eye makeup on my Indian eyes. If you want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching. Prepping my eyes using an eyeshadow base for a clean canvas, I also sometimes use concealer. For this look, I'm using What's Up Beauty Skyfire palette. I'm using this stunning lavender shade. I'm using a fluffy brush to apply this shadow, which I'm also going to use for blending. What I've noticed with K-pop eyes is that their eye looks are not very smoky, they are very soft but do have a lot of glitter. My focus right now is to intensify the pigment and later I'm going to blend it. As you can see, I'm pressing the pigment in to get the intensity that I want. I am having to pack on a lot of shadow because I do want that intense look. Now that I have the intensity that I desire, I am going ahead and blending the shadow with the same brush we used. You can see it is such a gradient effect already and we have not used any other transition shade for this step. Pack on the shadow if required and blend accordingly. It is that easy. Now that I am happy with the blend, I am taking this shadow and creating a winged eyeliner. I am using a very small flat shader brush to apply the shadow and create a wing using it. This step does not have to be perfect, you just need that shadow to create a wing-like effect because we are going to apply eyeliner on top of it later. Taking the lavender shade and applying it on the lower lash line. Now it's time for the fun part, it's time for the shimmer. Look at this beautiful shimmer. I'm using a small fluffy blending brush to apply this shimmer shadow. The reason why I'm using this small blending brush is that I do want the shimmer to be there but I don't want it to look very stark. I want a blended effect. I do love glitter, so I am definitely going overboard and I'm also diffusing the shadow as I'm applying it. So it is a 2-for-1 job. Now I'm taking the same shimmer and applying it on my lower lash line. Remember I said we are going to apply liner, this is the time. I'm applying the wing eyeliner on top of that pink shadow. I'm done with the liner, I'm taking the same pink shadow and applying it on top of the liner to give it a dual effect. Reapplying the black eyeliner so that it is crisp and clear. You can see how beautiful it is already looking. Highlighting the inner corner because no K-pop eye is complete without it. Coating my lashes nicely with a nice mascara. Also a bit on the lower lashes. Applied false lashes and here's the final look. I really do like how K-pop eyes are very soft but glittery but also edgy at the same time, so I was kind of going for that same vibe. I love how glittery this look is, I love how soft this look is, but I also love that eyeliner moment. I really had so much fun creating this look and I hope you loved watching it. The best part about this look is that we have only used 3 shadows in this. You can recreate this look in any color that you want. This is a very hooded eye friendly eye look which I definitely love. I love the color scheme of this look. It is so soft, so girly, so glittery and just so perfect. I love it. Let me know which tutorial should I create next. I hope you like this look as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.